Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Since the working principles of all devices are the same, if you write your problems and thoughts about all brands and models in the comments, we will solve the problem immediately. You can complete your repair process by following the steps I have done and doing the same. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. If this device does not take any paper and there is no click to pick up, your problem will be solved if you follow these steps and follow me step by step. This piece is broken, we will have to replace it, but let's try to make a suitable piece for ourselves here. It would be nicer if we recycle and free repair. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. We will make a sensor foot from paperclip wire and you can do the same by following these steps. We will make a sensor foot from paperclip wire and you can do the same by following these steps. We will make a sensor foot from paperclip wire and you can do the same by following these steps. Again, we will repair a device without the cost of parts. The fault solution is almost the same in devices with this and the same working principle. It is useful to follow the same methods. Let's heat this piece with a soldering iron and seat it here and let it stand straight. Let's fill it around and support it so that our piece stays solid. By following the steps I did in my video, we can fix your faulty device in a short time and solve your problems by going step by step. Let's heat this piece with a soldering iron and seat it here and let it stand straight. Let's fill it around and support it so that our piece stays solid. Yes, when we try, our writing comes out perfect. We have solved this problem. As you can see, the repair and maintenance of our printer was successful. And the result is a very happy development. You should definitely try it. We got very good feedback in our previous videos. Write your result in the comments and we will reply. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.
Thank you.